Mabuhay mga kamisin match! Muli itong inyong likod, host Randy, at kasama po natin ang isa sa mga performer ng Gerald Santos Gives Back, si Miss Keisha Luis.
Hello po!
Po,
Good day to every one of you.
Yan, so kumusta naman po yung performance nyo kanina? Ano po masasabi niyo?
Actually, feel ko overwhelmed pa rin ako.
Yes.
Parang, it feels surreal actually. Parang hindi totoo. But then again, I'm very honored and grateful that I get the opportunity to perform on stage with Sir Gerald Santos and ang iba pang talented performers like Lindsay Bolaños and
Yes.
Sir Joperil.
Then pang ilang performance mo na ngayon? Pang ilan mo na siya sa stage na yung parang big stage talaga? Pang ilang perform mo? Kumbaga concert, pang ilang ano mo na siya?
This is my second time po. First time I was with Sir Renz Verano po. I was able to sing with him po sa Tanghalang Pasigenyo. And I can say na this is now my second major concert. Ngayon naman together with Sir Gerald Santos.
Yan. So mga bigati na talaga din
Yes
mga
po.
nakakabot. So may mga original songs ka ba? Mga original compositions?
Yes.
Na gusto mo i-promote? Sige, go.
Yes, meron po akong original song. Ang title po nito is Himig Pagmamahal. Mapapakinggan nyo na po siya sa lahat ng digital streaming platforms katulad ng Spotify,
Yes.
Amazon Music. Ito po ay released ng EBK Music Production at distributed naman po ng Poly East Records.
Yan. So usually talaga yung mga singer, no, ibang-iba talaga yung speaking voice sa kanilang mga singing voice kasi mga bakulaw pag nakawak ng mic.
Yes.
Pero mga kalmado pag Yan. So ayan naman, so sa performance niyo kanina, so sure ba kayo na nabigyan niyo ng 100% yung performance niyo kaya kampante kayo ngayon?
For me, yes po. I did give my 100% at saka medyo mahaba-haba din po yung preparation namin dito kasi talagang Gerald Santos na yan eh. So,
Yes.
we should give our best. So, nag-enjoy so much.
Yan. O baka may gusto kayo i-promote diyan, i-shout out diyan, promote yung mga social media. Go.
To the EBQ International Production, EBQ Music Production, thank you so much po to Tita Evie, Sir Nick, thank you so much po. And you can follow me on my social media account platforms, Keisha Luis po, on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. And please stream my original song, Himig Pagmamahal po. Thank you very much.
Yan, thank you so much. Once again, I am host Randy from Mix and Match. Yan. So, thank you so much po.
Thank you po. Thank you so much.